Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, May 18th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a reminder, tonight at 8 p.m. we will be having our live chat. We'll likely be talking about the threat for showers for tomorrow morning and also maybe some severe weather by the time we get to Sunday evening, and certainly the hot and humid air mass that is underway for this weekend. Well, we're going to talk about all of that now, but also probably touch on what's going on with the MJO and La Nina and all that other good stuff as we head towards June. So definitely check that out tonight at 8 p.m. Meanwhile, this morning, absolutely beautiful out there with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast, mid to upper 50s in your urban areas with winds light and variable for the most part. Some locations have winds from the northwest around 10 miles per hour, but for the most part, it is a quiet morning out there with clear skies to sky cloud cover. Enjoy it because changes are on the way. And those changes are via this frontal boundary right here and this little disturbance right here. You can almost see the curlicule here. What's happening is that this front will lift north as a warm front as we move through tomorrow morning. And that is going to introduce periods of showers. Now, this warm front is going to kick off a transition to a more tropical air mass for the end of this week, and especially for this weekend where we could be talking about temperatures pushing into the upper 80s to lower 90s, and a heat index, that's right, the heat index is back with temperatures possibly in the mid to upper 90s. So you definitely want to be prepared for that, especially in the Delaware River Valley, basically right in here where we could really see our temperatures soar. So when we take a look at our latest visible satellite picture, you can see not much going on, just a few scattered clouds. You can see the warm front is getting ready to approach. It's producing overcast cloud cover back here towards Ohio. For us today, we'll see increasing cloud cover, but no precipitation. For the most part, we'll see a lot of sunshine this morning and a mix of sun and clouds this afternoon, and then developing overcast cloud cover by this evening. But as we take a look at our infrared satellite picture, you can see trouble is brewing off to the west with this shortwave right here with impressive thunderstorms. The thunderstorm threat will not be a concern for us tomorrow morning, but some of these showers are going to be capable of some heavier downpours, especially around southeastern Pennsylvania and central and southern New Jersey tomorrow morning. As the warm front lifts north, it will lose some of that influence of a little disturbance associated with this warm front, and that means lighter rainfall for the New York City metro and points to the north, but still a wet morning commute is expected with these showers. And then after that, all this tropical air that is sitting here along the Gulf Coast will be heading our way, and with it, hot and humid conditions, but also a sea breeze front. That's going to be a major theme as we watch out for this weekend. Now, a sea breeze front is usually focused along the Jersey Shore, around Long Island, the South Shore of Connecticut, of course. And what happens sometimes is that with a sea breeze front, you get temperatures knocked off into the 70s, but more importantly, it can instigate an isolated thunderstorm or two. And with humid conditions in place, it's something that we're going to have to keep an eye on for, especially on Saturday. Okay, so I'm not expecting anything widespread, but just be aware if you hear some rumbling in the air while you're outside opening your pool or something of that nature. Just be aware and be prepared to move indoors, because these thunderstorms, they can pop up pretty quickly and collapse pretty quickly without much notice. So there's something just to keep in the back of your mind. So let's dive into this forecast for today. High pressure and control, tranquil conditions. High temperatures range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. Your warmest locations will be in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for periods of showers capable of heavier downpours at times, with temperatures falling off into the lower to mid 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. By tomorrow afternoon, those showers will exit. Look for improving conditions with scattered cloud cover towards evening. Look for high temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to mid 70s around the New York City metro, and then mid 70s to lower 80s in the Philadelphia metro. Now, this is all based on the progression of the warm front passage. The faster the warm front moves through, the warmer you will be. So obviously, as you head down towards Philadelphia and southern New Jersey, it will be warmer with temperatures pushing into the 70s and 80s. On Friday, that warm front is well to the north with a nice southerly wind in place. High pressure is just off the coast with sky cloud cover. Don't be surprised if there's some fog in the early morning hours as well. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s on the immediate coast, upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior and in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, this is going to be our hot and humid day, okay? Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and mid 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast and Long Island, mid 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. We could see a few mid 90s pop up around the Philadelphia metro, so I'll have to keep an eye on that. Again, with the sea breeze front, there will be a threat for an isolated thunderstorm, but most locations can just expect muggy conditions with morning fog and then hazy conditions in the afternoon with humidity pushing your heat index into the mid to upper 90s. So it's going to be a very hot day. On Sunday, a cold front will approach. Now, in the morning, watch out for some fog. In the afternoon, increasing cloud cover, but generally tranquil, with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s for lows and high temperatures ranging from the mid 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast and on Long Island, and mid 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. Then the cold front moves through in the evening. Right now it looks like somewhere between a 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Frontal passage, but we'll have to keep an eye on this frontal front moving through. Again, there will be a potential for showers and thunderstorms, and a few of those thunderstorms may reach severe levels, so just something to just keep in the back of your mind. On Monday, high pressure builds in with clearing skies. Look for low temperatures, much cooler. Mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast, possibly a few upper 50s to lower 60s in your urban areas where the warmth likes to hold on for a little bit longer. In the afternoon, look for high temperatures to range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. On Tuesday, high pressure will start to give way with scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, Delaware River Valley region. On Wednesday, another area of low pressure will be approaching with increasing clouds and showers towards evening. Some of those showers may be heavy at times. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you at 8 p.m. tonight. And as always, stay safe out there.